Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you don't know what to post? People keep saying pick a niche, pick a niche. What does that really mean? In this video, I will show you how to pick a right topic for your channel and how to use it to grow fast, even if you are just starting. Hi beautiful people, this is your girl PejuRoyal. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I am saying welcome. On this channel, I talk about growing on YouTube as a small creator. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to pick a topic also known as niche for your channel. So what is a niche? A niche is just the main thing your channel talks about. It is the topic you choose to make your video about. It can be that you choose topic about food, you choose to talk about gaming, or you choose to talk about fashion. So that is a niche. Niche is the main thing that when people come to your channel like this, okay, they will know that okay, this channel, okay, this is what this channel is all about. What are the types of niche on YouTube? On YouTube, we have several niches, but in this video, I will only talk about 6. Number one is education. Education can be teaching math, can be teaching people how to use particular products, generally teaching people how to do something. Yes, so that is education. Number two is entertainment. Entertainment is about you create funny video, comedy, storytelling like African folk tales. So that is under entertainment. Number three is lifestyle. Lifestyle is talking about your lifestyle, what you do, like the way you clean, the way you dress up. So that is about life. Number four is vlog. Vlog is about a day in your life. Like you wake up in the morning, these are what you do. You go to the market, you go to store to get some things for your family. So that is vlog. Number five is gaming. Gaming is about you playing video games and showing people tricks how to play the game, having fun generally. So that is gaming. So number six is money tips. Money tips will be about how to save money, teaching people how to save money. It's about finance, side hustle to do online, how to make money online, small scale business to do to make money. So that is about money tips. How do you pick the right niche for yourself? Very important. Ask yourself, what do you like? What do you love doing? Is it cooking that you like? Is it fashion that you like? It can be anything that you like doing. So make sure that the niche you want to pick is based on what you like. Don't just pick niche because other people are doing it. Do you get what I'm saying now? So your niche should be based on what you like. Point is this: ask yourself, are you good at that thing? Like, okay, you might like cooking, but you are not good at cooking. Because if you are not good at cooking, what are you going to teach others people that come to your channel? So make sure that okay, what you like, you are still good, at least a little bit. I'm not saying you are perfect like that, but at least you are still good at doing that thing. So watch out for that, is very important. So another point is, are people watching? Ask yourself, are people watching this niche? So this one now, you go and do your own research. Like, okay, go to YouTube, search other creators that's creating video about that niche. Are people watching? Because you are not going to watch yourself. So now, when you see that, okay, people are watching this niche, you can go ahead and pick it. Another point is, ask yourself, can you make many videos about this niche? Like, do you have ideas of video to create about that niche? You love that niche, you are good at it, people are watching it, but you cannot create video about the niche. It's not going to work. So if it is something that, okay, you can create video about it, you are good to go. So the best niche is what you are little good at, what you like, and what people are ready to watch anytime you create video about that particular niche. So take note of these 3 points I just mentioned now. How to use your niche. Now that you have your niche, here is how to use it. Stick to your topic. While creating your video, stick to your topic. Don't just post randomly. Don't post about cooking today, tomorrow you are doing motivation. You are confusing your audience. Take note of this point. Another thing is make video your viewers want to watch. Make video not only your viewers, even people that are coming to your channel for the first time. Okay, if you are teaching, make sure that the video you make, people are going to learn something. Yes, if you are entertaining, make sure they are going to enjoy, they are going to be entertained. So based on your niche now, if you are teaching, if you are gaming, just make something that okay, that relates, that when people watch, they get value when they come to your channel to watch your videos. Here is another thing you should take note. Use the right keywords when posting your videos. Yeah, keywords like how to, if you are into cooking now, keywords like how to cook rice. You know, when people come to YouTube, when they search for something like how to do something, then your video will pop up. Once your video pop up, people are going to watch your video. Right keywords is very important when posting your video. Use the right hashtag, use the right tags for your video. Here is another point again. Talk to your viewers, ask questions, make them your friends, reply to their comments. Don't ignore their comments. When anybody comes to your channel to drop a comment for you, make sure you reply to their comment. And do you know what it means to drop comments under your video? Anytime people drop comments, it even help the algorithm to know that okay, this video is very valuable. So you can imagine when you don't reply to their comments, people will stop commenting under your videos. But when they notice that anytime they comment, you are going to reply, they will always come back to watch your video, to drop comment for you, and this is going to also help you on your channel. You know, niche is like you planting a seed. You have to care for it. You know, you have to water it, until that your niche blossom. See, that is how your niche is. You don't just expect your niche to blossom just like that. It is one step at a time. So take note of this. I always have bonus tips on my channel, and here are the bonus tips. Start small, grow later. Imagine you want to go into any business that you don't even have an idea at all, and you just carry millions of naira, PM, to go and start that business. What is going to happen at the end of the day? So you just start small. Like even if you have that millions to put in that business, just you can use like 100K to start. Then when you now learn it, then you start growing. So that is how you should see your channel on YouTube when you are just starting. That is how it is. Also use different style but same topic. Yes, like that is one thing about growing on YouTube. You can start with a particular style. Okay, it may be about editing now. Maybe there's a way you used to edit your video, but later on you now get some tips, to make your videos look better. But just make sure that you still stick to your topic. Don't start like okay, you start doing something else, but you can change style on the same topic. Let people know you, show your face. Like me now, I'm showing my face. Of course, if people are seeing my face, show your face, let them hear your voice. For those creating con about faceless channel now, some people will generate their picture with AI, story AI. They will still use AI voice. Why are you doing that? People can still connect with you with your voice, so use your voice. For me, I like it when people use their voice to narrate their story, not AI voice. Tip, here is another tip. Don't wait for that perfect time. Keep learning. You will definitely get better at what you are doing. When you are continuing to do that thing, you know, all over and all over again, what happens? You continue to get better. See, your first video is going to look horrible. Go and watch other creators, go and see their first video. Some of them, you will laugh. So don't wait for like, okay, I want to be perfect. Is it when you don't do something that you get perfect? No. It is when you start that thing and you are doing it and you are learning on that thing, then you will be getting better and better till you get perfect. So now that you know how to pick a niche as a beginner on YouTube, I hope these videos help. So like this video, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free, you're not paying a dime. And tell me in the comments the type of niche you are starting with. See you in the next one. Bye.